What is going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to install WeatherTech in-channel vent visors on your 01 to 07 Ford Escape. Should be the same steps for Mazda Tribute of those years as well. I'll post product links in the video description for both if they're different. Otherwise, I'll just list product links for the light and the dark visors. Now, this is my mom's vehicle. She did not want to do the second row since not many people ride in the vehicle, so I won't be doing that in this video. I'm assuming they will be similar steps. Otherwise, hopefully someone else has a video if you're doing the rear ones. We're just going to show you how to do the front ones today. I've already done the driver's side, pretty easy install. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, so like I said, very easy. Once you peel all the stickers off the side vents, you're just going to start by slipping it in the window channel here on the front side. You're going to stop right here, actually a little bit before that, like this, and we're going to start. You're going to have to bow it out. It's not going to break, or if it does, then you're going to get a refund because it has to bend to get it in place. They're supposed to be a little more durable. You want to do this when it's a little warmer out. Don't be doing this when it's literally 0 degrees out. It's too cold, they'll probably snap. What we're going to do is just tuck it like that, slip it in about 1 inch down from the top. Okay, and then now you can get this in the rest of the way. And we're going to raise this all the way up into the corner over here, and we're going to slowly and carefully pull down and just work our way up into the window channel. It does take a little bit of strength, and again, you are going to feel like you're going to break it at times, but you just got to trust in yourself. And not be too aggressive with it. Don't make it go any farther than it has to. Push it up into place, turn the ignition on, and slowly roll the window up. Once it gets over here, go a little slow just in case it catches on anything, and then once it gets to this point, also go slow. Okay, turn that off. It says you're supposed to go up and down 5 times. Now this vehicle does not have auto up feature, but vehicles that do might have a hard time at first. It'll sense the load and then it'll kick the window back down, but you'll just have to leave the window up for a bit. After a couple days, it'll kind of work itself in and it won't be quite as tight, and then your auto up function should be working fine. For the first couple days though, make sure the window's all the way up, and then anytime you roll the window down and back up, make sure you give it a couple seconds and then tap up again, because usually it'll free up a bit and you can go higher with it. So that concludes this video. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more videos like this, and please check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.